Last week, we told you about some of the research and benefits of using animal waste as a primary source of fertilizer. Well, today we continue that discussion with a look at the process and the importance of testing that manure before applying it.
Animal manure is a great way to improve soil quality, but if mismanaged, it can be harmful to the water system. And we have Hailin Zhang here at Oklahoma State University to walk us through some of the analyzation of the samples here. Now, Hailin, tell us about what you have here.
Well, we have a well-equipped soil testing lab, and 5 years ago we added animal waste analysis to provide a service to livestock and poultry producers in the state, because they need to know the nutrient content of animal waste before they land apply as a source to improve soil quality, as you just mentioned. So I'm going to just quickly go over some of the steps we analyze manure sample here in the lab. First of all, we receive sample like this from producers. This is a poultry litter, okay, feces and litter materials. After we receive them, we process them before we analyze it. The processing is fairly simple. We just using a coffee grinder, put some sample here. The first test we do is to weigh a small amount of sample, putting a tube like this.
Right.
Then we add the acid to digest. That means to dissolve all the nutrients into solution. Okay. The digestion is done right here in the fume hole.
Oh, okay.
So basically, this is a block digester. We add a certain amount of water and acid to these samples. Then just let it cook.
How long does that usually cook?
2 hours. After it's all digested, you should not see any solids there. It's all dissolved. So nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, all the nutrients should be in the solution. And from here, we take this digest to another lab to get quantified.
And can we take a look at that right now?
Yes, let's go over to the other lab.
So what happens now?
Well, now the sample is already digested, as we saw earlier.
Right.
We transfer the digest to a small tube like this. This is a sample tube, and it will be run on this instrument. It's called ICP spectral photometer. This instrument analyzes what's in that digest. Once we get all the results, we'll put them together as a report. Producers will have this report for their calculation, how much they can apply per acre to meet their crop requirements.
Right. What do producers need to send you?
Well, the producers need to get us a representative samples. If they don't send a representative sample, no matter what we do here, the results may be biased.
Well, Will, thank you so much, and this is very interesting and very helpful to the state of Oklahoma.